I'm Kimberly Hughes. I am the head of supply chain for Innis and Gunn, which is a beer company, for those who don't know it. It's a very popular lager here in Scotland. But it's been a big, massive change. We've got 3 pubs within the group, and they have been closed. So that's been quite a massive change. Obviously, all those staff are being furloughed. But what has changed and what we found is that consumers are buying more online. So what we've done is driven that traffic to the online store, and we've seen an uptake and a surge in uptake from the retail sector. So we've seen your big 4 supermarkets, retailers take much more branded product, as well as the NISAs and the local co-ops. We've had to switch what we would normally, all our keg and draft products is off, and we've had to change and really get more production for bottle and can, because that's growing, obviously. Innis and Gunn don't currently have their own bottling manufacturing site, so we produce using third-party production sites, and every one of them have also seen an increase in demand, which has therefore put a bit of a strain on capacity. And then on top of that, you've also got a resource constraint also, which is causing other issues within the supply chain. So where you've normal production lines and you've got your normal running patterns, we've got people going off ill, unfortunately. So it's just the change has meant that the guys in my team certainly having to manage far more production, purchase more materials. There's a further increase in, it's a different production, because generally you're filling kegs and now you're filling bottles and cans. So the demand for actual materials to make those into a product, But for me, I think the big change has just been doing everything online and having, just working from home. I used to think I'd love to work from home. I'd love to work from home constantly. Absolutely not. I cannot wait to get back into that office environment. Just can't wait to jump on the train. And I'm missing just being able to walk from the street down to the train station and have that hour to myself of clearing my head and what I'm going to work on for the day, what the key objectives are, getting off at Haymarket, jumping into Starbucks, grabbing that coffee. It's the simple things that you take for granted.